Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your password in the Zalando app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Zalando app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have some suggestions and articles. From here we have to go into the top right corner and tap on the profile icon. Then under the overview section we have to tap on personal details, and then here in the middle we find change password. We tap on this. Here at the top we can just type in our old password, and then at the bottom the new password, and then confirm password. After we are done with this, we can just tap on save to save the new password. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.